Oh yeah, and right here.
Right in the middle back here.
Yeah. And I used to do ballet, so I stay like this now and I lift, but I stop lifting heavy and I have to force myself and it hurts. Like this hurts. Like it's a strain on everything. And especially like my back is like super sore.
We'll work on your posture.
Okay, yeah, so
First time adjustment for this YouTuber. Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington, guys. So here you go. We're gonna give you a little sample of what I do in here. All right, go face down. Are you helping out too? All right, so you're about a good 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch short right side. Goes a little longer in position 2 and 3. Guys, you can see that in the video where the camera shows the leg length difference. So we look at that as imbalance in the spine. Sometimes it's coming from the muscle, but a lot of times we're seeing in the pelvis and hips. She has been involved in gymnastics and ballet. So obviously really hard on the bodies. They're very young. And now I'm actually retesting again after I did a pressure check on there. And so we have both the sacrum and pelvis on this side. I'm gonna add some pressure to that. So it's a test. I mean, there's different ways of testing both legs, even position 1 and 2. She probably feels the difference already as soon as I corrected it. I want you to lay on your left hip, face me this way. McDonald's, huh?
if I'm going like this or
Yeah, just like that. Bend the top knee.
Hi.
Right like that. Good.
This is so exciting.
Did you hear that?
I'm so excited. Oh, that felt good. Oh, yeah.
Face down.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, I'm getting cracked. Oh, that feels good. Oh my god.
Both legs even, position 1 and 2. Put your left hand on your lower back. Slight change.
Oh my god,
See how that
good.
goes shorter? Guys, so what she has is a rotated L4 and so the back portion of the vertebrae has gone inferior. Let's have you lay on this hip for me.
I'm not nervous anymore.
You're not nervous anymore, right?
I wasn't really nervous. I was just like, I've never been cracked, but my back feels good already. That's so weird. I'm so happy. Okay.
And then tears of joy.
Oh.
Face down.
Oh wow. I was gonna come to you.
Makes a difference.
Yeah, it does. It feels really good.
You can tell them I used to be a chiropractor for our military. So what you saw me do there, I adjusted the back part of the spine. That's the bumps on our back.
Yeah, I think it's hurt a lot.
Take a deep breath. Release. And adjusting right through here.
Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Good. I want you to lay on your back.
Oh my god.
We do get a lot of laughter after an adjustment.
This is a good first experience, man. I'm like excited.
Good. Cross in here. Right at T3, T4 brought in. Release out.
This is so cool.
I should actually move it this way so you guys can see me from a different angle. Can you see? There we go. Perfect. What am I doing about me? And right down at C5-6.
Oh. After that.
C1-2. Good. Traction.
Oh wow.
Hip, knee.
Oh my god.
She laughed throughout the whole thing.
I tried to. It was just crazy. My body feels good. I'm hot now. That's been a workout.
Who, me or you?
Me.
Yeah, so that's where the endorphins and enkephalins start kicking in. They're hormones of the body. And so the nervous system starts to do its job when you bring the pressure off the nerves, the body starts functioning better. You'll sleep better, you'll feel better, you'll move better. Let's have you sit and face that way for me. Is that a little better?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Now we're gonna work on your posture. Some of the chiropractors do it standing. I do mine sitting. I do standing too, and I do it with motion as well. Hold that right there. Take a deep breath. You good? I'll go later.
No, it was good. It just
Better?
When I was getting my neck tattoo, I couldn't stay still either. I would just take push there. And he touched me, I was like...
I'm not trying to tickle you, sorry. Okay, we're gonna adjust the shoulders.
Oh, that's a lot. Oh! How weird.
How's that first adjustment? What'd you think?
Felt different. My shoulder. That
Sore.
hurt. Yeah. I was like, ooh. Overall, I felt good. That's weird. In a good way.
Weird in a good way.
In a good way. It's the first experience. Sure. I'm glad I'm glad I found you on YouTube. Because I was not nervous, but I didn't know what to expect. I've never been to a chiropractor, so it was like, you know, I've seen on YouTube and like your technique and everything, and you had really good reviews, so I'm like, try it out, and it's awesome, guys.
How was the service coming in
Awesome.
all the way to this point?
It made me feel very comfortable, very comfortable. You wouldn't be worried about it, like, okay, we're gonna crack you. You know, you seemed like you cared a lot about me, and you just met me, so thank you. Appreciate that.
You did really well. Dr. David Warwick, Warwick Chiropractic, Lacey, Olympia, Washington. Another YouTuber who saw me on YouTube as we put out her, and thank her, you know, these patients that say, hey, go ahead, do a video, helps you see what happens in the rooms and how they feel better. So whatever your idea of chiropractic was and what it can be now, two different things. So I'll see you on your visit. Bye for now. Bye.